Hello, how are you? My name is Anaton Bensel. Welcome back to my channel. I am going through this LeetCode problem set and I am on question number 52, which I have already completed because I didn't have my setup to walk through it with you guys. Actually, 51 and 52 I didn't. So I'm going through and kind of explaining what I did here. So 52 is n queens 2, which, by the way, the solution is in Python. The n queens puzzle is the problem of placing n queens on an n by n chessboard, such that no two queens attack each other. Given an integer n, return the number of distinct solutions to the n queen puzzle. And then they give you these as an example, as illustrations, and then these two as an example with the constraints. So for my solution, and I will show you guys the submission for it. My submission was okay. It was okay, but it's still like I might have beat 89% of people in memory. I just beat 48% in Python. And in my defense, I was doing this in a Starbucks like 30 minutes ago. So maybe it would have been better if it wasn't so loud, but it was like pretty loud because it was around 7 a.m. this morning. So this is what I got for you, okay? So let's go through my solution here, and I can kind of explain what I did. So in my code as a whole, I tried to define the total queens method with this using a backtracking algorithm to kind of explore the different board configurations and then checking for valid placement of the queens. And then from there, I incremented the counts when a valid solution was found. And for this approach, it counts the number of distinct solutions to the n queen puzzle given the value of n. So right off the bat, I had to check to see if any of the queens were placed in a given position, or where they were placed without conflicting like space from the other queens. So then if they were good, it would, if it wasn't good, it would return false. If it was good, it would return true. And then down here, we start to see if all the rows are filled, we learn how to increment that count. So just figuring out where we could be so that no two queens essentially could attack each other. And then we returned the complete count down below. So that is how I approached this. I think the backtracking algorithm was the way to go for this. But again, I could have refined this more, and I also could have been in not allowed place. So here I am not in allowed place, and eventually I would like to redo this one and 51, which I did last night when I was on the road still. So hopefully just being able to figure all this stuff out and make it better. That's what I'm going to be trying to do after I hit this 100 LeetCode solutions in 100 days. So with that being said, I've already put this code in my GitHub repo, which is linked in the video description down below. You guys are more than welcome to fork and clone, make it better, make it worse, learn something new, have some fun, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.